Hey there guys, this is going to be a video for any of my viewers who are interested of air conditioners. So this is a switch. It goes to I'm at the hotel, by the way. It goes to right here, the conditioner. I think it's a Sharp Touch, and I'll start off with the air. By the way, here's the thermometer. I'm not sure much about how to do that, but anyways, I'll start off with the air. So here we go. It's about, I think, 74 degrees. Oh yeah, cool air. Timer. Low. On. I mean fan only, excuse me. Now, I'll take you to the switch. Light fixture here, and this right here. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and put it to heat. It's on heat. Here we go. Wait. I don't think I ever tried the heat. I don't think it's gonna do anything on the heat mode. It's okay. I don't know a whole lot about your air conditioners, but I hope any of my viewers, like XD Tome or Random Dude, know. But yeah. So yeah, it's the air conditioner in one of the rooms of the hotel. So. Well, so I hope you enjoy the video. Bye-bye.
What's happened. First, he made a very explicit and somewhat chilling warning that